Hi, I'm Kristen Poborski, and I want to show you something that has been a complete game changer for my business recently. I replaced my project manager with an AI agent that documents my processes, creates standard operating procedures, and assigns tasks to my team all in about 5 minutes. So, let me explain to you how this actually works. It all started out about 10 years ago. I read this book called Work the System by Sam Carpenter. It was a total game changer for me back then. I was doing everything myself, no systems, no documentation, no delegation. And I was working like 24/7, at least it felt that way. And I was in complete chaos because I had no specific way of how I was doing my work and my marketing in my business. That book taught me to start creating systems, standard operating procedures, breaking down the tasks, and actually building a business that could run without me. It helped me back then stop being the bottleneck. I got out of production and more into promotion. Then I was able to hire team members that could help assist me with the production instead of me doing it all myself because I had the system in place. But here's the thing. Even after hiring that project manager, I was still the one writing all the standard operating procedures. Why? Because no matter how good that project manager was, they couldn't get inside my head. They didn't know exactly how I wanted things done. I was the key to all the systems and the processes, the frameworks, everything inside my business. So everything still came back to me. So fast forward to now, I'm updating all my systems. And it's not just because my old ones are out of date. I'm building an AI business team. And this time, I'm using AI. And it's insane how much easier and faster it is for me. So here's exactly what I do so you can replicate the process yourself. I record myself doing the task I want to delegate just once. I drop that video into my Claude AI agent that is my standard operating, and it's really my project manager, right? And within minutes, that one agent drafts the entire standard operating procedures, writes out the task description, and recommends who it should go to on my team. We go back and forth a little bit. I do a little editing because I do need to make sure that it is good. So the human element always needs to have a little be in there and do oversight. But then once we're done, it pushes it straight into Asana, assigned and ready to go. That used to take me over an hour. Now, 5 minutes and done. Every time now, when I go to delegate something this way, it saves me about 90 minutes. And that's the time I'm not writing SOPs, standard operating procedures, formatting documents, or figuring out who to assign it to. Instead, I have this one AI agent, my project manager, doing all of it for me. And honestly, it understands what I want better than any project manager I've ever worked with because I've trained it to think like me. It's built with all of the examples of how I want to do it once. It's exactly how I'd train my project manager, but they just couldn't ever get it right. Now this way, it's really like having a second brain, a second Kristen as my project manager. Let's talk about how these agents actually work. I really want you to start thinking of them as your second brain. You build a knowledge base, you train that agent on your voice, your preferences, your processes, and then it works with you quickly, accurately, without needing hand holding. And here's the key. It's not perfect out of the box the first time. You do have to train it, but let me tell you, it's worth it. It's totally worth it because it knows you once it's done. It's not going to forget. the tasks. It's not going to forget the directions. It's right there inside waiting for you. And even better, no costly mistakes, no do-overs, no asking for time off, no asking for Christmas bonuses or raises every single year. It costs me $20 to run my entire team of AI assistants using Claude. So you do these things and you have your agents in Claude. You're going to get back time, accuracy, and a team member who doesn't call in sick or ask you for a raise. Your agent, it shows up every single day, and once it's trained, it gets things done better and faster than most humans can. Right now, inside my business, I'm taking the systems I've used for 10 plus years, updating with AI and team assistance. I'm re-recording the actual steps, the workflows, and having Claude document it. This would take months of going back and forth with my project manager. Never could really do anything other than assign the task, and even writing out the procedures, not so good. But now with this agent, I can assign them automatically. You can do the same thing with ClickUp, Trello, even Google Drive. You don't need a fancy tool. You just need one smart assistant and a system. You could set up a simple dashboard where your agent knows exactly what's due every day of the week and who's supposed to do it. It's perfect if you've got a small team or no team at all. And this is just one agent. Inside Claude, I'm building all kinds of custom agents for my business and for my clients so that we can have AI business teams that run our business so we can scale faster, leaner, and keep our profit. I've got content agents, marketing, onboarding agents, coaching call agents, all of them helping to run a leaner, faster, more profitable business without hiring more people. It's like having a second brain that never sleeps. My brain, not someone else's thinking what I'm saying, what I'm doing. It's actually my brain. Yes, I've got to do a little work to set it up, but it pays off in dividends because it keeps me from having to overmanage a team and wonder if it got done. And it frees me up personally to be more creative, more strategic, and more focused on growth and promoting my business instead of being stuck in operations. So if you want to learn how to run your business with AI agents to create profit, save time, and build a smarter backend, I've created a free guide that breaks it all down. It's called Claude Crew. It's the 3 assistants that are running my marketing so that I don't have to. Just comment Claude Crew. I'll send it over to you. And if you want help building out these agents and more, and actually setting up your AI business team to think so that they can think like you, comment game plan, and I'll send you the link to book a strategy session with me. Let's get you out of the operational weeds and into the growth zone where you belong.